Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Come home to this immaculate, beautiful home located on Glenmuir Road, Clarendon. How often do you find a house that is move-in ready? Well, this one is a great home for a family of four or more. This majestic, architectural designed four-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom house awaits you. The ground floor houses a bedroom, a bathroom, living and dining space, a large kitchen, and an oversized laundry room. The second floor is accessible by a beautiful staircase that opens up to a small den with an office and a patio. There are three bedrooms, including the master, and two bathrooms. The property is beautifully landscaped with green lawns, beautiful plants, with fruit trees throughout. There are two water tanks located to the back with a small shed. The land area of this house is 11,941 square feet. Come take a look. There is so much more to see. Other features includes ceramic tile, garden area, water tank, ceiling fans, kitchen built-ins, hot tub, fully fenced, family oriented, private settings, quiet area, seniors oriented, and pets are allowed. The current price of this house is US 300,000 or Jamaican $46 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.